Hello there, I'm Anthony Alampi. I'm the owner of X Factor Consultants, a digital design and web consulting company based in Austin, Texas. We design user-friendly websites and mobile apps using the principles of interaction design to ensure that users have the best experience possible. Interaction design is an exciting creative discipline that, when implemented properly, enhances the experiences of users and leads to better sales and stronger user retention. This course is a quick introduction to interaction design, and no prior design experience is required. Some of the major topics that we will cover in this course include navigation and structure, design patterns, and accessibility design. Once you've completed this course, you should feel comfortable implementing interaction design principles into your own UI designs. I hope you'll join me in this journey to learn more about interaction design with the Interaction Design Fundamentals course at Pluralsight.